Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I can show you how to find settings where you can connect your wireless DJI wireless mic to your DJI Osmo Nano camera. You can connect your DJI wireless mic for clearer, more professional audio. It will be perfect for vlogs, interviews, or any recording where clear voice is a key. But to enable it, you just should open control panel and here find mic. Then just connect your transmitter to your camera. To do that, you just should power on your transmitter and hold it close to your camera, and it will ask you about connect. You'll connect and you will be able to record audio from your Osmo mic. That's it. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it's true, please consider to leave me a like and a comment below. See ya.